Batch creating 30 videos in a single day is an ambitious goal, but with the right strategy, preparation, and workflow, it's absolutely achievable. Whether you're a content creator aiming to supercharge your output or a business seeking to maximize your brand presence online, mastering the art of batch production can transform the way you approach video creation. Let's break down the process step by step, from planning and scripting through filming and editing to optimizing your workflow so you can consistently deliver high-quality content at scale. First and foremost, it's essential to understand the core principle behind batch production: efficiency through preparation and repetition. Instead of approaching each video as an isolated project, you'll group similar tasks together, minimizing context switching and maximizing productivity. The more you can systematize each stage, the more you'll be able to maintain focus and energy throughout the day. Begin with thorough planning. Before you even turn on a camera, know exactly what you want to create. Start by defining the scope and format of your videos. Are you producing educational content, product demos, short social media clips, or something else? Clarity here is crucial. For batch creation, shorter videos, think in the range of 1 to 3 minutes, are easier to produce quickly. If your format allows, aim for concise, focused topics that can be explained or demonstrated efficiently. Once the format is decided, brainstorm your topics. This is where you lay the foundation for the entire batch. Make a list of at least 30 ideas that align with your niche, audience, and goals. If you're stuck, consider common questions your audience asks, trending topics in your industry, or break down larger subjects into smaller, bite-sized segments. For example, if you're in the fitness niche, instead of one long video about how to get fit, create 30 videos each, covering a single exercise or tip. After generating your topic list, move on to scripting or outlining. Scripting is one of the most powerful tools for batch creation. It reduces filming errors, keeps you on track, and ensures each video delivers clear value. For each topic, write a brief script or bullet point outline. Focus on the hook, the first few seconds that grab attention, the core message, and a clear call to action. Each outline should be tight and to the point, so you don't waste time on tangents or unnecessary details. Remember, the goal is rapid production without sacrificing clarity. With your scripts or outlines ready, organize them in sequential order. This will streamline your workflow during filming. Group similar topics together, as this allows you to maintain momentum and avoid mental fatigue from switching between unrelated subjects. For example, if you're filming a series of tech tutorials, batch all the videos that require the same setup or props. Now prepare your filming environment. Set up your camera, lighting, microphone, and any props you'll need. Test everything before you begin. Check your framing, audio levels, and lighting to ensure consistency across all videos. If possible, use a neutral background or a branded setup that works for every topic. Minimizing the need to rearrange your set between videos will save countless minutes and keep you in the creative zone. Wardrobe is another consideration. If you want your videos to look fresh and varied, prepare a few different outfits or accessories to change between batches of videos. This simple trick can help create visual diversity, especially if you plan to release your videos over time rather than all at once. When you're ready, begin filming. The key to efficient batch filming is to stay focused and keep moving. Read through each script or outline before you record Then deliver your message clearly and confidently. Don't worry about minor mistakes. If you stumble over a word, pause, reset, and continue. You can always fix small errors in editing. As you complete each video, mark it off your list and move on to the next. Keep water and snacks nearby and take short breaks every hour to stay energized. For videos that require demonstrations, screen recordings, or specific actions, plan these segments in advance. Capture all related footage for similar videos in one go, then move on to the next set. This batching approach reduces setup time and keeps your workflow streamlined. Once filming is complete, move on to editing. Like filming, batch editing is about grouping similar tasks and using templates to save time. Start by importing all your footage and organizing it into folders by video topic. If you're editing 30 videos, create a template for your intro, outro, transitions, and any on-screen graphics. Use the template to quickly assemble each video, simply swapping out the core content for each one. Editing can be time-consuming, but with efficient workflows, you can dramatically speed up the process. Use keyboard shortcuts, presets, and batch export features. If you're adding captions or subtitles, use automated tools to generate them. Then, quickly review and correct any errors. For simple videos, aim for quick cuts and minimal effects. Focus on clarity and consistency, rather than elaborate edits. If you have a team or access to freelance editors, consider delegating the editing process. By outsourcing, you can further multiply your output. Provide your editors with clear instructions, templates, and branding assets to ensure consistency across all videos. Once your edits are complete, review each video for quality. Watch them through to catch any errors, inconsistencies, or technical issues. This quality control step is vital. Rushed batch production can sometimes lead to overlooked mistakes. Correct any issues promptly before moving on to export and upload. Now, let's talk about organizing your content for release. If your goal is to publish 30 videos in a day, make sure you have your titles, descriptions, thumbnails, and tags prepared in advance. Batch creation isn't just about filming and editing. It's about preparing every aspect of your content pipeline. Use spreadsheet or project management tools to keep track of each video's status, metadata, and publishing schedule. For maximum impact, consider staggering your releases rather than publishing all videos at once. This allows you to maintain audience engagement over time and gives each video a chance to shine. Schedule your uploads using platform tools or third-party apps, and prepare social media posts or email campaigns to promote each video. Throughout the entire process, stay organized. Use checklists, folders, and project management tools to keep track of your progress. Batch production can be intense, and losing track of a single step can lead to confusion or missed deadlines. Regularly update your workflow and refine your process as you learn what works best. Let's recap the essential steps for batch creating 30 videos in a day. 1. Define your video format and scope. Decide what type of content you're creating and how long each video will be. 2. Brainstorm and list your topics. Generate at least 30 ideas that fit your niche and goals. 3. Script or outline each video. Write concise scripts or bullet points to keep your message focused. 4. Organize your workflow. Group similar topics together and plan your filming sequence. 5. Prepare your filming environment. Set up your camera, lighting, audio, and props in advance. 6. Plan your wardrobe changes. Decide if you'll change outfits for variety between batches. 7. Batch film your videos. Stay focused, take breaks, and keep moving through your list. 8. Batch edit your footage. Use templates and efficient workflows to assemble each video quickly. 9. Quality control. Review each video for errors before exporting. 10. Prepare your metadata and publishing assets. Titles, descriptions, thumbnails, and tags should be ready. 11. Organize and schedule your releases. Decide if you'll publish all at once or stagger your uploads. 12. Promote your content. Prepare supporting social media posts, emails, or blog articles. By following these steps, you'll transform what seems like an impossible task into a systematic, repeatable process. Batch creation isn't just about speed, it's about consistency and maximizing your creative output. The first time you attempt to create 30 videos in a day, you may face challenges. But each time you repeat the process, you'll refine your workflow and get faster. Let's explore some tips to optimize your batch production even further. First, embrace automation wherever possible. Use teleprompter apps for reading scripts, automated captioning tools, and batch export features in your editing software. These tools cut down on repetitive tasks and keep you focused on creating. Second, minimize distractions. Set aside a dedicated filming day, silence notifications, and communicate with your team or household that you'll be unavailable. The more you can protect your creative time, the more productive you'll be. Third, focus on energy management. Batch production is a marathon, not a sprint. Schedule short breaks to stretch, hydrate, and reset your mind. If you feel fatigue setting in, take a 5-minute walk or do something to refresh yourself. The quality of your content depends on your ability to stay energized and focused. Fourth, review your analytics and audience feedback after each batch. Identify which videos perform best and why. Use these insights to refine your topic selection, scripting, and production in future batches. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment and improve. Batch creation is a dynamic process. Each time you complete a batch, review your workflow and look for bottlenecks or inefficiencies. Tweak your setup, try new tools, and share insights with fellow creators. Batch creating 30 videos in a day requires preparation, discipline, and a systematic approach. By organizing your workflow, scripting meticulously, batching similar tasks, and leveraging technology, you can multiply your output and maintain consistent quality. Whether you're building a YouTube channel, launching a product, or expanding your online presence, mastering batch production empowers you to reach your audience more effectively and efficiently than ever before. Remember, the key isn't just to work harder, but to work smarter. With careful planning and a streamlined process, you can accomplish what once seemed impossible and set yourself up for ongoing success in the fast-paced world of video content creation.